Hello, I'm Nathan,
And I'm Roxy.
and welcome to Today on the Green.
So what's happening today?
Well, I was gone last week, so I cooked something. What's cooking, Judge?
We will be making lava cakes.
We're going to be using a stick of butter, 2 egg yolks, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 6 ounces of chocolate, and ice cream.
We're gonna butter the ramekin. Butter with the chocolate. We're gonna then double boil it. Two eggs. 2 egg yolks. This is what happens when you don't have an extra spatula. Sugar and flour. It's too bad Lucas isn't gonna have any of this. Chocolate. All right, lick the chocolate. And now we pour it in.
We've looked to the north, we've looked to the south.
Throw them in.
8 minutes.
Pull them out. Then we're gonna make it look prettier. Gotta make sure you have a good couple scoops of ice cream with it.
And so our chocolate lava cake is complete.
And looks good.
That looked really yummy, Nathan.
Thank you.
Next up, Color Guard went to championships. More on that with Serenity.
Hey Bearcats! This Saturday, the Color Guard team went to championships. It was held at Fontana Valley High School, and they were up against many other high school teams. Our Color Guard placed 9th place overall. Congratulations on this accomplishment from putting so much hard work into your routine this season. We can't wait to see what you do next. And now back to the studio.
Thanks, Serenity.
This weekend was Coachella. More on that with Bianca.
Hey Bearcats, this past weekend was Coachella. There was a long-awaited performance by Lady Gaga, which many people loved, and some amazing performances by Travis Scott, Green Day, Post Malone, Charlie XCX, and many more. Benson Boone performed Bohemian Rhapsody and brought out Brian May, who was a guitarist from Queen. It didn't get that good of a reaction, but that's okay. It was so fun seeing everyone's amazing outfits. Now, back to the studio.
Thanks, Bianca.
So, do you wish you would have gone to Coachella?
What's Coachella?
Well, that concludes today's episode of Today on the Green.
Come back next time to see what's happening today on the Green tomorrow.